Welcome to Energise Coaching. Here we're going to take a look at the adductor machine. Now the adductors are basically the inner thigh muscles, and they move the leg from an outward position in towards the center of axis. Okay, now before we get into the actual set, it's hugely important to talk about the setup. Okay, now we want to be setting the machine so that it challenges our active range of motion. Okay, so for example, if I set it there, whilst I'm able to bring the knees together, it's not going to allow an optimal range of motion when it comes to the outward portion of the movement. Okay, so I need something that's going to challenge that. So I'm going to set this wider than I can actually go. And then during the set, I'm really going to be mindful of the fact that I'm trying to take these knees out as far as I can and really lengthen these adductor muscles as much as possible. Okay, now the handles at the side offer gripping hard and pulling my pelvis down into the seat for stability. And then from there, I'm going to keep the upper body as stable as possible and drive the knees inwards. So I'll do a few reps, show you how a set would look. Again, on that outward portion, I'm trying to go as far as I can. Now, the older you get, range of motion should be very, very high on the list of priorities. Probably more so than load. So I'm taking those knees out as far as they go and then driving inwards with aggression. Now, tempo-wise, I'm trying to really control this lengthening phase here. I'm pausing to take out momentum, and then I'm driving with aggression back inwards until the pads touch. Okay, two more. And again, I'm pulling hard on these handles to stabilize the pelvis throughout the set. And hopefully you can see how there's hardly any movement anywhere else in the body whilst doing that. And I just lift the legs up to exit the machine. So that's the adductor machine.